Ooh. Literally that happens a few times. Like I was dropping diamond crystals, whatever you call them, all day. This, oh my god. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. Not one more time, we're gonna do it until we get it, but we're gonna try this again. Finally, there we go. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing like a euphoria. I know everybody's all getting on everybody who's doing euphoria makeup. Like, it's not that serious. People like the show and they like the makeup in the show, so they're gonna do euphoria inspired makeups. So yeah, I'm gonna do a euphoria inspired makeup look today and I'm so excited. I'm gonna go do one eye off camera and then I'm gonna come back and do the other eye. Okay, I'm back and I really like how this looks, but okay, so let me show you guys. This is the look that I was going off of. But I only did like the outer corner because then I put a big diamond in the, or crystal or whatever, in the inside. And then I did this little teardrop shaped thing under. And I really like it. I was going to follow the look exactly, but I'm going to be honest. This took forever. Like, it literally took forever. And I was going to, and also I was running out of the little crystals. So I had to do like the outer corner, but that's fine. I think it kind of shows off like the precise line that I did, and I really like these colors. I think it looks really cute and I really like it. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and now we're gonna get started with the other eye. So I already did my eyebrow before. I do them both at the same time, and now I'm gonna prime my eyelids. Now I'm gonna blend that out with this Real Techniques blending beauty sponge. Can we talk about Euphoria? Like, literally, it's one of the best shows on TV. Like, it's so good. It gets into real issues that, like, teenagers face. It's just so amazing. I love it. And literally, Zendaya, I mean, we all knew that she was a queen, but she does so amazing. She does so good, like, in this show. Like, and the cast is just amazing. Literally, it's so good. Like, it's on point. After I set that, I'm actually not gonna set it with powder. And now this for me was like something that made the eye look stand out even more, just because, like, yeah, it just, because sometimes like on black people or women of color, colors don't really show up that well. So I'm gonna take this CC Beauty 12 color flash palette, and I'm gonna use this like Tiffany blue color, this like pointed small flat brush. Actually, I'm gonna mix some white. I'm gonna put some white down, and then I'm gonna pick up some of that blue. I'm gonna mix them together just until I get, like, it looks more white on camera, but it's like blue. And now I'm just gonna trace like the color part. Now that that's like on the lid, I put it higher than my crease just so like you can see it more. Now I'm just gonna take a bigger flat brush and just take the rest of the color and tap it on. You want to be kind of precise just because you can see the line. On the outside you'll be covering with like the crystals, but like you want to be kind of precise up here. I guess you could, if you mess up, clean it up with concealer. And now, no surprise here, I'm gonna be using the Beauty Bay 42 Bright Color Palette. It's so beautiful. And I'm gonna be taking Daydream, Paradise, and Paradise mixed with Stormy Night. So first, I'm taking Daydream. I'm tapping it on the inner part of my eye. You want to tap it so that the cream color under it doesn't move. And this is essentially like setting that cream color so it doesn't crease. Now I'm gonna take Paradise and I'm gonna put that right next to it. Then we're gonna blend these two colors together. And now towards the end, I'm gonna dip into Paradise and Stormy Night. Tap that off and put that on the outer. The brush that we used to put the cream color down. I'm gonna put the cream color on my bottom lash line. I'm gonna tap the colors. This looks crazy with the white. I'm gonna tap the colors onto the bottom. And now I'm gonna take these little, so these I'm pretty sure were like nail crystals, but I'm gonna take the silver ones of these, and I'm also gonna take, I'm just showing you all the crystals that I'm using. It's like a sheet. I literally got this from the dollar store of the big ones, and that's what I use to put in my inner corner. I'm gonna take a liner brush and just make a line of where you want to put the crystals. And now I'm gonna take these that are pointy and I'm gonna pick up the crystals and just lay it on the I used the glitter glue. I'm not gonna lie, this part is pretty time consuming, so I'll probably speed through it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna lay it, hold on, I'm gonna zoom in actually. Lay the crystals on where I put the glue. Now that that part of it is done, I'm gonna a little bit more of the glitter glue. I'm just gonna put it right here in my inner corner. I'm gonna take one of these diamonds. They actually have like sticky stuff on them already, so it's like a win-win. Okay. And now, actually, I think I'm gonna replace this with one of these. So I'm gonna do that after I do my foundation and stuff. So I'm gonna put my other lash on, I'm gonna do my foundation and stuff, and then I'll come back and finish off the look. Okay, I did my foundation and I put on my other lash, and this is what the eye look is looking like so far. Now I'm gonna take another one of these crystals and I'm just gonna put it under my eye. The final look, I'm in love with it. Like literally, it's so pretty, and not only does it like kind of resemble the makeup in Euphoria, like it's just so like, I don't know, like I feel like if I went out of the house I would just feel like I'm like the baddest thing ever. Like this makeup is just so like gives you confidence. It like gives you confidence. But yeah, I'm like obsessed with this look. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on post notifications if you want to be notified every time I upload. And yeah, comment down below if you want me to do another Euphoria makeup look. I'm thinking of doing some of Kat's makeup looks. I don't know, I just really am liking like the makeup on Euphoria. So yeah, comment down below if you like this, and if you want me to do more Euphoria looks, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.